This is another W question, 2 of 2007. So we now have an integration here. Sketch y equals to x minus 1 squared plus 1. So x minus 1 squared is basically just x squared curve on 1 plus 1, and we draw it this way. Without explicitly calculating I1, let's just draw it. And explain why IC is greater than or equal to 0. So this means that b squared minus 4c, let's use our discriminant here, equals to, let's just expand out the quadratic first, x squared minus 2xc plus 2c squared. B squared minus 4ac equals to 4c squared minus 2c squared equals to minus 8c squared. Great, this means they are imaginary roots. So, since this is negative for all c, this means that there is no solution. Calculate IC. So, IC, we do the integration formula, and so what you do is that you add the power by 1 and then drop the power down as a denominator. So this means 1/3 x minus c squared plus c squared x from 1 to 0. So 1/3 1 minus c squared plus c squared minus c squared over 3. So this means it is 3c squared minus c plus 1 over 3. Great. So what is the maximum value of IC? The maximum value of IC, let's just complete a square. IC equals to 2c squared minus c over 2 plus 1 over 6. This is a 2, by the way. Can't even scroll. This is much better. Equals to 2c minus a quarter squared plus 5 over 48. So this means that the minimum equals to 5 over 24. If you can only, sine theta can only vary between plus minus 1, then the maximum is f minus 1 as minus 1 is furthest from a quarter. So the maximum I derivative 1 equals to 2 minus 5 over 4 squared plus 5 over 48 equals to, and you calculate this, you are now going to get 25 over 16 plus 5 over 48 equals to twice 80 over 48 equals to 10 over 3. Then we are done. See you in another MAT video.